Jia Hakapor Badangshna Ya Kate Katanal. Shillong Literary Festival. Kalasdang Biang Ha Kabenta Kabalai, but La Penlong Ha Words Lake Menta Kasni, but Kan Sane Haduh Ka Khat Real Tarik Menta Ubunai, Ha Kaba Ai Chinkren Ha Kane Kasni, Menteri Katanat Kikam Jingok Kai Perthei, Uba Pol Lengdo, Ula Ong Ba Kasorkar, Kayale Ting E Banpli Kambun Kilat Kilenti, Kambun Kishnat Bat Kirensan, U Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Ubalong U Commissioner Bat Secretary Jong Kasorkar Mekhalia, Ula Pen Pau Ya Gajinkermen Ba Kitamasa, Bat Kikam Jingok Kai Perthei, Ken Kentiu Ya Karoi Kapar, Ha Gajella, Bat Kenla Ban Ai Kam Ai Jam Ya Kikuan Samla.
More outlets, more platforms, and this is what the government is seriously endeavoring. Today we have the MGMP, the Mega Project, Music Project, which is organizing programs on a daily basis to encourage and facilitate a platform for our young stars who are so extremely gifted, as you could see by yourself, who are extremely gifted.
A literary festival taking advantage of the cherry blossom season, taking advantage of all the creative people that are in the state and of the setting that of the Watts Lake and the Shillong offer. So again, it's a matter of huge joy that now we are here 3 years in. The first edition was a huge success. The second edition, unfortunately, we had to curtail it, but it still was the one day. It was a wonderful event, and now here we are.